When I started Monjaro, I genuinely told myself, I'll take this for 3 months. Bus. I thought once I lose some weight, I'll stop. Today, my thinking is completely different. And if you are on this medication in India, this question will come sooner or later. How long am I actually staying on this? So if you are on Monjaro in India, ये क्वेश्चन 100% आपके दिमाग में है. How long do I have to stay on this? 3 months, 1 year या forever? आज के वीडियो में I'm not going to dodge this question. By the end of this video, we will know why 3 months trial almost never works, what research says about stopping versus continuing, and 3 realistic timelines for Indians: short, medium and long term. So stay till the end because duration का answer सिर्फ time नहीं है, it's strategy. I am currently on Monjaro myself in India. This is not a medical advice. This is education plus मेरी journey. आपका final decision would be आपका doctor plus आपकी reports. When people DM me, they don't ask, is nausea bad? Rather they ask, will I have to take this forever? And in India, that question actually makes sense. Can I afford this forever? So let's remove the confusion today. सबसे पहले मिथ क्लियर करते हैं. Monjaro कोई क्रैश डाइट इंजेक्शन नहीं है. It's a metabolic medicine for chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes, chronic obesity, insulin resistance, PCOS, weight struggles. So जो लोग सोच रहे हैं 3 महीने ट्राई करूंगी फिर देखते हैं, वो माइंडसेट ही थोड़ा गलत स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है. ये पार्ट मोस्ट यूट्यूब वीडियो स्किप कर देते हैं. Let's talk data. Simple language में. There was a big trial on tirzepatide for obesity called SURMOUNT. लोगों ने पहले around 36 weeks, that is around 8 to 9 months तक मेडिसिन ली, नोटेबल वेट लॉस अचीव किया, फिर कुछ लोगों को मेडिसिन कंटिन्यू कराया और कुछ लोगों का tirzepatide बंद कर दिया गया. रिजल्ट क्या हुआ? जिस ग्रुप ने tirzepatide कंटिन्यू किया, उनमें से लगभग 90% लोगों ने अपना 80% से ज्यादा वेट लॉस मेंटेन रखा एट अराउंड 88 वीक्स, विच इज 1.5 साल के आसपास. जिस ग्रुप ने मेडिसिन स्टॉप की, उनमें से ज्यादातर लोगों ने 25% या उससे ज्यादा वेट रीगेन किया विद इन अबाउट 1 ईयर और उनके हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स जैसे शुगर, बीपी, लिपिड्स भी रिवर्स होने लगे. सिंपल हिंदी में, जब तक मेडिसिन चलता रहा, वेट लॉस और हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स लार्जली मेंटेन रहे. बंद करने के बाद बॉडी ने काफी वेट वापस ले लिया और हेल्थ मार्कर्स भी वर्स हो गया. दिस टेल्स अस समथिंग इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस ड्रग मैनेजेस बायोलॉजी. It doesn't permanently rewrite. So now the real question is not how long do people stay. The real question is how long does your biology need support. That's different. Now let's come to that part for which you are eagerly waiting for. Realistically, for how long should we continue this? Let's break this into 3 realistic buckets. While I explain each one, think, to which bucket do I fall into? First bucket is short term, that is 3 to 6 months. Who goes for this? People with mild, moderate weight, जिनकी metabolic reports ठीक ठाक है. Those who want just a quick jump start only. Goal here is simple. Reset your appetite, start 5 to 10% weight loss, anchor solid habits. But research warns us, short use then sudden stop often means partial or full regain in 6 to 12 months. Why? Unless habits are rock solid strong. It works only when you are ready for high discipline life, starting weight isn't too extreme, और mentally set होके appetite वापस आएगा after stopping. So short term sounds easy, but high regain risk है. Most Indians actually need bucket 2. So ask yourself, have you lost weight before and regained it? If yes, you probably don't belong in short term. Be honest. Now bucket 2, medium term, which is 6 to 18 months. This is the most realistic path for most Indian patients. यह सबसे common है हमारे लिए. It's in 3 natural phases. First is dose titration and active weight loss, about 3 to 9 months. Then plateau and stabilization, next 3 to 9 months. And finally, reassess with your doctor. Around 1 year is where clarity begins. By then, your body settles into new set points. आप strong habits बना सकते हो. Protein, walking, strength work, sleep. Doctor monitors sugar, BP, side effects और पैसे भी. Mindset यहाँ simple है. 1 साल solid commitment, फिर डिसाइड करना कि स्टॉप, कंटिन्यू या फिर मेंटेन करना है. दिस गिव्स यू टाइम टू बिल्ड रियल फाउंडेशन. परफेक्ट बैलेंस फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ अस. थर्ड पार्ट इज लॉन्ग टर्म मेंटेनेंस. दिस कैटेगरी इज फॉर पीपल विद टाइप 2 डायबिटीज, हाई बेसलाइन BMI या जिनमें वेट रिगेन रिस्क बहुत हाई है। ट्रायल्स शोज क्लियरली इन दिस बकेट लॉन्ग टर्म इवन indefinite GLP-1 therapy is often needed to control weight and metabolic risk. Continuing this maintains weight loss and has heart benefits better than stopping. इस कैटेगरी में प्रैक्टिकली क्या करते हैं लोग? डोज को मिनिमम से थोड़ा नीचे मेंटेनेंस पे फिक्स करते हैं, जैसे 5 to 10 मिलीग्राम इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑलवेज 15 मिलीग्राम। एक्चुअल डॉक्टर डिसाइड करेंगे। Second is or aggressive lifestyle like protein, strength, sleep ताकि डोज स्लो रख सके। This isn't failure, it's a smart chronic management. Just like lifelong BP medicines, foundation solid रखो, results stay. Now let's do a quick self-reflection. Answer these 5 questions honestly right now. First, how high was your BMI or weight when you began? The higher it was, the more likely you are in medium to long-term bucket. Second, do you have type 2 diabetes, PCOS, fatty liver, high BP or sleep apnea? If yes, it means higher chances of long-term treatment. Third, how often have you lost weight with diet, exercise, then regained it? Repeated yo-yo shows strong biology at play. Short plans usually fail. Fourth, can you afford 12 months realistically with smart dosing and budgeting? Because in India, we can't ignore this. Fifth, has your doctor said short trial or long term for obesity or diabetes? If there is no clear answer, in your next visit, ask doctor, what's my expected timeline? In months? Is it 1 year? Is it 2 years or much longer? These pin down your bucket fast. So confirm with your doctor in your next visit. Now the emotional part everyone feels. People DM me, if I need this for years, does it mean I fail? Honestly, no. If a blood pressure patient takes meds lifelong, we don't call them weak, right? Obesity and metabolic issues are chronic conditions too for many people. The only difference, weight shows, so shame hits harder. Injections visible hai, so judgment aata hai. But research is clear and simple. Chronic disease needs chronic treatment. Stopping after good results without a solid plan often brings weight regain and health reversal, especially post-tirzepatide. But research is clear and simple. Needing long-term support, this is not failure. It's a smart, realistic, chronic disease management. So what's my approach? I am not in forever panic or 3-month fantasy mode. My mindset right now is into 3 phases. Phase 1, weight reduction for first several months. Phase 2 will be stabilization, which is hit the plateau and build lifestyle. Phase 3 would be reassess with doctor as to continue full dose or switch to maintenance or taper carefully. Mentally, I am planning minimum 12 months horizon, not just 3. और साथ ही protein, muscle, sleep, stress management build कर रही हूँ. So if stopping ever comes up, my foundation won't be weak. This phased thinking keeps it realistic and calm. So one key warning here, the longer you are on appetite suppression, the higher the risk if you don't protect your muscle. You lose it with the fat. फिर stop करने पे fat returns but muscles doesn't. The research shows long-term weight loss works best when muscles stays preserved alongside fat loss. वरना metabolism slows down. Next video, I am breaking this down. Do you lose muscle on Mounjaro? Realistic India hacks for protein and strength even without gym. Because duration is safe only if your muscle survives the journey. Don't miss it, this changes everything. Now it's your turn. Comment below which bucket are you thinking right now. Short term, that is 3 to 6 months. Medium term, that is 6 to 18 months. Or long term, which is more than 18 months. Okay, this helps me see what Indians are realistically planning. I'll shape future videos based on your answers. And if this video reduced your duration anxiety even a bit, gave you a real clarity, share it with someone stressing daily. ये injection lifelong लेना पड़ेगा क्या? They need this grounded reality. No hype, no fear, just facts. And please like if it helped.